Hello children, let's learn some colors. Brown color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, green color, black color. Alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F for frog. Z for grapes. Z for grapes. H for house. H for house. I for eyes. I for eyes. J for jug. J for jug. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. L for lamb. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for frog. Z for grapes. H for house. I for eyes. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.